Good morning, all. My name is Abdurrashid Abdullahi Madugu from Quantity Surveying Department, University Technology, Malaysia. And I will be presenting on the potentials of adopting ontology-based building information modeling standard method of measurement. Bills of quantities are said to have been around for nearly 300 years in some form or another, and they are described as a list of items giving detailed identifying descriptions and firm quantities of work comprised in a contract. They are widely acknowledged as being necessary for effective pre- and post-contract cost control, and that it is impossible to properly manage cost of projects in a financial vacuum that prevails when tenders are solicited based on drawings and specifications. However, the traditional methods used in the production of bill of quantities are time-consuming, labor-intensive, and prone to errors. And to address this challenge, building information modeling and ontology technologies are emerging as viable solutions. BIM is increasingly recognized as a critical digital transformation enabler, allowing the construction industry to embrace new paradigms such as the Internet of Things, cyber-physical systems, cloud computing, virtual reality, and augmented reality, as reported by these authors. A recent science mapping and bibliometric analysis of literature shows that BIM is still one of the most frequently discussed technological innovations in the history of construction industry. And accordingly, BIM-based cost estimation and quantity takeoff tools, such as Navisworks, ProjectWise, Autodesk QTO, and others have been developed. However, studies have argued the need to align the quantity takeoff with standard measurement methods. The problem addressed in the article. This necessitates the structuring of the standard method of measurements in an ontological and machine-readable format so that BIM software packages can read them easily. However, the bulk of SMMs are still text-based, requiring human editing into tables and spreadsheets during the cost estimation process. This requires converting the SMMs from natural languages, which is human being oriented, to formalized representations. However, information regarding development of ontologies for BIM standard method of measurements used in BIM-based QTO is sparse. The research method adopted for the article is based on comprehensive review of literature, which includes journal articles, conference papers, textbooks, and web trawl. Findings. From the literature review, the potentials of adopting the ontology-based BIM SMM catalog are as follows. It has the ability to present human being-oriented specifications in computer programs. It provides a framework for organizing information for a certain domain, and as such, it can be used to compensate for the shortcomings of the immature implementation of BIM in quantity takeoff and cost estimating processes. It provides automatic quantity takeoff and cost estimation due to its reasoning capability based on the domain knowledge. Also, it can be used to represent information subjects, features, and their associated values, relationships, and rules in a comprehensive and extensible manner in the SMM-based information requirement model. Also, it ensures conformance of the BOQ with the standard method of measurement. Thank you for listening.